Okay, date also you have. So see, now what I have decided, we'll have a normal test only, MCQs like we have. It won't be on Google Form. Okay, earlier it was decided that it will be on Google Form, but I think it will be better to have some theory questions also in science and maths. You already know you have to do the working. Okay, that will be required.
In
So
science only MCQs will come.
Both. In science and maths both, like you have usual your science maths paper na, same way, 10 MCQ, some reason, some in science some reason question, some fill in the blanks you might get or some answers, answer the following question, like that you will get 2 marks k. Okay, like you have given earlier test, same way it will be during our class only. And maths maybe it will be 25 marks. You have given maths ka last paper, same way it will be there. Okay, any doubt on the pattern of questions? No. So can we start with revision?
Ma'am,
Yeah.
that the question you gave me the homework 2.4 and 2.5, I didn't really understand what was the question.
You didn't understand? Okay.
So that's why I didn't do it.
Okay, no problem. So when we complete after the test, we'll revise that chapter, and then that time you just ask. Okay. Abhi, let us do the test ka portion. Only this week is there, na? Next week you have test, right? So we have just this week. So today we'll revise plants. Plants ke upar, I'll show you. The theory. Okay, let me share. What have we done in plants? Just go through it. Plant make food of its own, okay, with the help of light, in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll. Okay, chlorophyll where it is present. Photo means light. Okay, you know the parts of the plant, already have your picture, and how sunlight, in presence of sunlight, there is on the leaf chloroplast are there. Chloroplast has got chlorophyll, and because of which photosynthesis takes place. Okay, root absorbs what? Nutrients, minerals.
Absorbs minerals and helps in transporting food.
Yes,
Water, nutrients from the soil.
correct. So oxygen is released, taken in carbon dioxide. These things should be clear. This experiment you have done, leaves में chlorophyll होता है, green pigment. Leaf can then use this energy to make food. Okay, what is photosynthesis? इसके parts, leaf के parts we have done, stalk, petiole, everything, detailed structure you have got. Leaf का internal structure of the leaf also is important. What are the parts? Upper epidermis, lower epidermis is there. Epidermis is for protection. So it is oily layer, waxy layer. Yes, Abdullah.
Ma'am, my question is that, ma'am, if you tell us to make us the internal structure of the leaf, so if we like the upper epidermis, so then we have to write protect the cells inside the leaf. A waxy layer on the leaf surface stops the leaf.
No. You just have to write upper epidermis. Okay. Either you will get the diagram and you will have to label it, or you will get the function, or you will get a diagram to draw. Okay, understood.
Ma'am, I want to ask.
So we don't have to write the thing that happens.
Function. This is a function.
Then we will have to draw this diagram.
What is the function? Yes.
We will have to draw this diagram in the exam.
Yes.
Diagrams can be asked. Okay. See, both way questions are asked. Either diagram is given and you have to label it. It will be labeled like A, B, C, and it will be asked what is A, label B, label C. Okay, what is the function of part B? And you have to name it and function uska likhna hai. Other part is direct question, draw an internal structure of a leaf. Understood? So then you have to draw this. Is it clear? Upper epidermis ho gaya, lower epidermis ho gaya. Then you have palisade layer. पैलिसेड सेल्स का फंक्शन क्या होता है, एवरीथिंग you have
Ma'am,
written.
there is chloroplast also na in the palisade layer, but
Correct,
it is not
correct. There is
shown.
small
You
chloroplast.
said not to. You said we have to draw that you gave from the PowerPoint.
Yes, yes. Okay, detailed diagram. Then you know what are these vascular bundle. Leaf may question can be asked ki where is xylem present in the leaf? What is the position of xylem and phloem in a leaf? Okay, so that you should know. I think I have given xylem phloem ka diagram also in leaf, stem and root. You remember that notebook mein agar draw kiya hoga?
Ma'am, it is there in PPT also. I think.
It is there na. So which side is xylem, which side is phloem? You have to say inner side, outer side, this way. This is stem. This is what? This is leaf. Okay. And this is root. So what is the position of xylem and phloem? Diagram nahi bhi aayega, but position पूछ सकते हैं. Okay. Which side is it? Then these are vascular tissues. Vascular
Ma'am.
tissues.
Ma'am,
Used in
xylem is on the left.
transport.
Remember the diagram, the diagram would be hard, right?
Kya? What did you ask?
Ma'am, the diagram will be hard to remember, and also it will take so much time to draw.
So timing ke according marks will be there. Okay. Depends on you should
Ma'am, I
be.
want to ask. I want to say
This is root
something.
hair. Root hair, function of root hair, root. Okay, these things are important. Yes.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, so in xylem and phloem, so xylem is on the left and phloem is on the right, na, ma'am.
Where? Leaf?
Yes, in leaf, ma'am.
This is, yeah, this is xylem phloem, na? Can you see?
In leaf, ma'am.
This is xylem, na? You have labeled, I think. You have the diagram, na? Textbook mein clear nahi likha hai. But you have in your diagram, I have shown you xylem and phloem. These are xylem and phloem, okay?
Ma'am,
So,
in this it tells veins. It does not tell xylem and phloem.
here it is telling vein, but the diagram which I have given you. See, यहाँ पे दिखाया हुआ है. You can
Ma'am, in
understand.
veins only
They have
there is
taught.
xylem and phloem.
Listen, na, they have taught xylem phloem in the end. So यहाँ पे दिखाया है. See. So dark side is xylem. Bottom is phloem. Okay. Okay, understood or not? So यहाँ पे this is xylem. किधर गया?
ma'am, the PowerPoint was not
Right.
opening. The one which you gave na photosynthesis one.
Still not
It's
opening?
not
Ma'am,
opening.
it is showing an error, ma'am.
Huh?
404, that's an error.
Ma'am, very old things now. When you post it now, so it doesn't come. You will have to post it again now. That's all.
I'll have to post it again.
Yes, ma'am. In Google
Yes.
Classroom, it works like that.
Ma'am, when I saved it, we have to save it offline. We have to save all the files offline. Then also sometimes it get deleted.
Okay,
from the
okay.
drive.
Let me show you this PPT. Just take a screenshot na. अगर नहीं पे save होगा तो you have the screenshot of each page. Okay. Will you do that? Yes or no? Will you take screenshot right now? If I show you the
Ma'am, but the
PPT.
PPT is very big now, ma'am. Screenshot,
Yes, ma'am. In that there are
All the
questions
pages you
also.
don't
ma'am.
have to save na. It's not that big. Let me see. That is why it is not sharing also. Wait. Let me find out the PPT first. Nobody has saved the PPT. Let me share. I shared using this only. But okay, first page. ये तो simple है. Autotropic and heterotropic. Roots, stem, and leaves. Leaves perform photosynthesis. Stems connect leaves.
Ma'am, can you do one thing? Can you again upload it on the
Ma'am, I can access the photos in this PPT. I have the whole PPT. It's still there.
It is still there, na? So can you
Yes.
share it with your friends, please? Because I'm not able to share it with everyone. Okay. Okay, there is a message from Christina ma'am that there won't be any session at 12. Okay, 12 noon, no session. Fine, everyone? Okay, so this PPT, how many of you can access this PPT? Just
Ma'am,
everyone.
the link is there, but it says that you have deleted it.
I have deleted it, but I have not deleted. I think
It
goes,
shows error 404 when we open it.
but can you
Ma'am,
open
it
it
shows
now?
error, can't open.
Now, right now, can you open it? So I'll once again share this PPT. How many slides are there? Only this many, na? I think how many? These are extra slides also are there.
Ma'am, it
It is
shows
again
opening
showing
document and it does not open.
error 404.
Error 402. Okay.
Unable to access document. Please check if you are connected with
And
the
ma'am,
internet.
in my it is
But I am
showing this.
connected.
Okay, see,
Ma'am, it is showing
I'm
that
sharing
there
it
is
over
no
here.
internet.
Share option किया था. So get link कर दो. Copy link. Link copied. Then I go to this Google Classroom.
Ma'am, you can share the link in the chat. Then we can save the PPT.
Okay, yeah, I can do that also. Wait.
Ma'am, you can go to Google Classroom when there is the option to put the link also.
So that only I did that time. Okay, let me do it in chat also. Let me come back. Stop share किया. Chat. See, can you open the chat? Can you open this thing now? I have sent it in chat.
And we need access, it says.
अच्छा मेल में होगा मेरे ना.
I sent request in the mail, like something like that.
Ma'am, it is showing we will
Okay,
need
I'm
access.
getting request, right? Wait, let me accept the request, because even I don't have this idea how to share these Google slides say I am sending na, so that is why I'm not able to share. Gmail.
I also sent the request.
Amina, I just accepted yours.
Ma'am, I sent the request.
Okay, I am accepting one by one. Now I accepted Ibrahim's, Rashta, accepted yours also. Just see if you are able to open it. See this, Umera. Those names I'm taking, please see that if you are able to share, open the PPT or not. One by one, I am accepting that.
ma'am. Ma'am, it's still saying that request denied.
Is it?
You will get an email, so you have to go and open from there.
No, I shared it. I agreed.
I got it. I can access it.
See, Rashta can access it. I
Ma'am,
accepted.
I can
Munir.
also access it. Ma'am, I can also access it.
Ma'am,
Okay,
I can also access it.
Amina, now you check.
Okay, 1 minute.
Anas, you check now. How many of you can access? Just tell me. Abdullah, I'm accepting yours now.
Me, ma'am, I can access.
Yes, ma'am, I
Every-
can access.
Who is Danish Aga?
Ma'am, that I sent with another account.
Then ma'am, accepted.
Ma'am, do not accept that one. That's the previous one.
Okay. So those who have sent me the sharing request, Sufyan, I am accepting now.
Ma'am, I can open it and I can see
Yeah, ma'am,
it.
I can also open the file.
I have sent now. I have accepted your request. Aisha Yahoo, just check.
I can open the file.
You can open. Sufyan, just let me know if you can open it. Sufyan, Anas. Sufyan, I got 2-3 requests. So just see if you can open it. Who is there in the class? Everyone, those who are there in the class, Muhammad, can you access the photosynthesis file now?
Yes.
I can also see how many people can access it.
Okay. So I think everyone can see now. Those who are there in the class, all of you can access. Show me a thumbs up, please. Everyone. Okay, so those who are there in the class, everyone can access, so it is fine now. If anyone is absent in the class, you can share with them also and let. So now now your problem is solved, right? So you can go through the file. It is in much detail. Whatever we have done in the class, just understand that. Okay, questions will not be very tough. Yes.
Now in the meeting you have sent the link, then after the meeting when we are studying, how can we access it?
You can go to
Okay.
my email and click on it, ma'am.
Email में you send me the request ना, वहाँ से जा सकते
Yes,
हो?
ma'am. An email comes na, so there from there
And
you
once you
can
already
access.
accepted, we can go on it anytime.
Okay, you can check it now. So just see if you have any problem, let me know tomorrow. Okay? If you're not able to access after the class, you can. I think this same link I have sent it on during that time also, long back when we were doing this chapter. You remember that?
Ma'am, that was for sound PPT, ma'am.
Sound PPT tha? No, this PPT only.
हाँ ma'am, sound PPT was not
It was
getting
for
open,
sound.
so then you had to access, make us access it. Then Yahya shared the link also.
Okay. Okay.
On
Chalo,
Google Class.
let us do some revision questions on photosynthesis. Okay. So I'm going to share. Now you have got this. You can see this type of question might be asked. Diagram is given and it is asked. Can you see everyone leaf ka diagram?
Ma'am, it's blurred.
Yes, ma'am.
How
It
blur
is
it?
a little blur.
So okay. I'll read the question. Identify gas A and gas B.
Carbon dioxide.
Ma'am, gas A, carbon dioxide, gas B,
As
oxygen.
P is oxygen.
Correct. Very good. So
Ma'am, but at night time is ulta.
Yes, ma'am, but night time it is.
nighttime it is a diagram of photosynthesis. So when it is asked diagram of photosynthesis takes place during what time? Tell me.
Day only
Daytime.
because
Daytime.
Daytime.
Yes, it is a diagram for photosynthesis. Name the green pigment which absorbs radiant energy from the sun during photosynthesis.
Chlorophyll.
Chlorophyll.
Write down the
Chlorophyll.
chemical equation for the process of photosynthesis. I have
Ma'am,
given
C6H12O6.
Ma'am,
equation.
H2O
C6
plus C,
H12O6.
H2O plus
Ma'am,
CO
H2O plus CO2
plus
is equal to
C-
C6H1206.
Okay, please
Plus
write
two.
down over here.
plus O2.
Ma'am, water plus carbon dioxide is equal to glucose plus oxygen.
Word equation. Tell me the word equation. Water.
Ma'am, for
Water plus carbon dioxide is equal to glucose plus oxygen.
Sunlight. The reactants are carbon dioxide plus water. It gives glucose plus oxygen.
This is word equation. Then you have to write in presence of sunlight and chlorophyll. Okay. This is your word equation of photosynthesis. If you have to write it, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So this is a chemical equation and word equation. Everything we have done in class, please learn the equation. If you get this equation, it will be 2 marks. So everything, every formula.
Will there be types of leaves?
Types of leaves, shapes of leaves, the pinnate, that one.
Yes.
Reticulate,
Types,
palmate.
yeah, nothing much is there in that. Palmate, pinnate. Okay, I'm going to
Ma'am,
share
I had doubt in the external structure of leaf.
external structure में क्या है? Petiole, that diagram.
No, the secondary vein, the central vein of leaf. So like the diagram if you ask us to draw, so the placing would not be the exact, na.
नहीं, you will get to know. Just you have the diagram, na? Labeling is important.
Yes.
Label. Okay, tell me. Photosynthesis cannot take place if dash is never available.
Sunlight.
Okay.
Light.
Ma'am,
Sunlight.
Light.
Light,
Out
ma'am.
of D is light. Okay, correct. D. The dash gives plants their green color.
Chloroplast.
Chloroplast.
What is the effect of photosynthesis?
Ma'am, there will ma'am photosynthesis.
Oxygen
released out of it.
Oxygen is released.
Oxygen is released.
And the plant gets
Oxygen is released. Okay. What is an effect of photosynthesis?
Oxygen is
All
released.
of the above.
all of the above.
Yes, correct answer is all of the above. Carbon dioxide is taken out of the air, means from air it is taken into the leaves. How do plants take in minerals?
Through roots.
What happens last in the process of photosynthesis?
Ma'am, oxygen exits.
Oxygen exits.
Oxygen exits the leaf.
Okay, what happens first?
Ma'am, carbon dioxide.
Carbon dioxide
dioxide enters
the leaf
the
for
leaf.
photosynthesis.
Okay, all these can be taken together. Carbon dioxide enters the leaf, plant captures sun energy, water is taken up by the, because all the three together forms oxygen. Okay. Which statement describes the movement of gases in and out of the leaf?
Stomata. No, I did not understand.
Which is a correct
Carbon
Ma'am,
dioxide.
A.
D. Carbon
D.
dioxide enters the leaf for photosynthesis.
Yes, this is the correct statement. Carbon dioxide cannot leave the leaf. It can leave. Carbon dioxide is made in the leaf by photosynthesis. No. Oxygen enters the leaf for photosynthesis. No. Okay, so D is correct. In what part of the plant does photosynthesis usually take place?
Leaves, ma'am.
Leaves.
Some plants move water, mineral, and food with a system of tube-like structures called. You know,
Vascular.
vascular tissues. What are the vascular tissues?
Xylem and phloem.
Xylem and phloem. Do you remember what is xylem used for and what is phloem used for in transport?
Xylem is used to carry minerals and phloem is used for food.
Phloem is used for water.
उल्टा बोल रहे हो?
Ma'am,
Xylem
xylem
is-
is used for water and minerals and phloem is used for food.
Correct. Food. Okay. Dash is the reproduction of new plants from roots, stem, or leaves. अच्छा ये तो नहीं पढ़ा है, so this is not there. Still here is there. Okay, see over here. What statement about vascular tissue is true? Vascular tissue transports water and food throughout a plant's body. Plant can grow tall without vascular tissue. No vascular plants are better suited to life or on land than water plants. Vascular tissue gives a plant strength and stability.
Ma'am, A.
Correct. Okay, so this thing is over. Another sheet, another worksheet. Let me share. Next class, chemical reaction pay revision we'll do. Okay. So if you have any doubt, go through the chapter and see if any doubt is there, the notes and everything, and then we'll discuss. Choose the correct vocabulary word to complete the clue. Dash is the tiny
Stomata.
opening.
Stomata.
Tomata.
Yes, correct. Stomata. Dash is the chemical found in special structures in the plant cells called
Chlorophyll.
No.
Glucose.
Chloroplast. Chloroplast is the chemical found in special structure in the plant cells called chlorophyll.
उल्टा बोल रहे हो ना? Chlorophyll is the
Chlorophyll is the chemical found in special structure in the
Chloroplast.
plant cells called chloroplast.
Chloroplast में chlorophyll is there. Another word for sugar is
Glucose.
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 a gas that the plant needs in order to begin the process of
Carbon
photosynthesis.
dioxide.
Carbon dioxide.
Carbon dioxide.
Okay, this done. Dash is transported from the roots to the leaf and stem.
Water.
Water.
Another word for light.
Sunlight.
Sunlight.
Oxygen.
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 Okay, what process, tell me, this is another question. What process takes place 24 hours?
Respiration.
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 So respiration, because of respiration, which gas is taken in and which gas is given out?
Oxygen is taken
Oxygen is taken in and
Oxygen is taken in and carbon dioxide is given out.
Yes. So if this diagram is given, can you label it? Label where to put carbon dioxide and oxygen in the correct place in the diagram. Tell me. Purple arrow hai.
Ma'am, it
And
is
blue
carbon
arrow.
blue.
The purple arrow is carbon dioxide and blue arrow is
Carbon dioxide, blue arrow
Okay.
is oxygen.
What is over here?
Sunlight and water.
Sunlight.
Sunlight and water.
And what is over here?
Water.
Water.
Okay. So this is simple.
But ma'am, oxygen is taken in, so it is showing that carbon dioxide is taken in.
No. Oxygen is not taken in during photosynthesis.
No, respiration.
No, this is sunlight, na? So
Okay.
sunlight we are talking about photosynthesis. Okay. During daytime, photosynthesis takes place. Okay. Another question. Wait. Okay. This I'm going to give you questions on transport. Okay. So this is the question. Can you see?
Yes.
So what
Yes.
is xylem transport?
Water and minerals.
Not minerals, only water. Na?
Only water. ma'am.
Water में minerals dissolve होता है. So just say water and minerals or water में minerals dissolve होता है. You can say that. Answer में दिया है. What does phloem transport?
Food and nutrients. Food and nutrients.
Yes. Food में glucose होता है. Sugar is produced. Okay. Describe the position of xylem and phloem in the leaf.
Ma'am, the
Veins,
upper
ma'am,
one is-
veins. In veins.
Veins.
You
Ma'am,
see
the upper
leaf
one is
diagram?
xylem and the below one is
Yeah. So
No, then you have to draw it or you have to write it. Upper one is
So if it
xylem.
is written describe with if it is written draw, then you will draw. If it is written describe, then you will write the xylem is on the top of the phloem. Okay. 1 mark में one statement. 2 marks है to draw it. Okay, to show. Describe the position of xylem and phloem in the stem. You remember?
Ma'am,
Ma'am, the phloem is on top of the xylem.
So outer side you will say na. Phloem is outer
Phloem on
side
the
and
outer side and xylem is in the inside.
in inner side, inside of the stem. Okay. Describe the position of xylem and phloem in the root.
Ma'am, xylem is below phloem.
Ma'am,
Xylem,
xylem is around the phloem.
you will say xylem in the middle of X shape, in the shape of X, and phloem is outside the xylem. Okay, like this. If you're not able to write,
Mom,
you
I
can
did
draw
not
diagram.
understand the positioning. Like, how is this diagram?
Diagrams are given in your textbook and PPT also I have given you. If you are not able to write, please draw the diagram. Okay?
But I did not understand how it is like this diagram.
It is like this only, na? Root में ऐसा होता है. How क्या? It is a fact. It is like this. Okay? अभी बोलोगे कि mouth ऐसा क्यों है, तो it is like this. It is a fact. Mouth है, mouth में tongue है. It will be like that only. Teeth is there. Functioning is there. What is it? Can you tell me?
Ma'am, this is that.
The diagram is there in your book.
Sprout.
It is root hair.
Yes, I ma'am, that only are.
Okay, root hair cell. Describe the pathway of water through the plant. Water is taken from
Root
From the
to
roots
leaf.
to
correct.
the leaf.
Root hair,
Hair
root cortex cells, xylem, and then mesophyll cells. Okay. This is not required. So just a moment. Huh? What happened? कौन सा गाना गा रहे हो इब्राहिम? Which song, Ibrahim? Okay. Question is, the leaf has a shiny, waxy cuticle around it. What is the function of that?
Ma'am, it is upper epidermis.
Ma'am, can you say again?
Yes. The leaf has a shiny, waxy layer around it. What is the function of that part? And what is the name
It
of it?
protects the cells inside the leaf.
From dying, ma'am.
It protects
One
the
by one,
cells.
one by one.
It protects the cells.
It stops the leaf cells from dying.
It
From
protects
dying.
the cells inside the leaf.
It
And stops
protects the
them.
cell inside the leaf and it is called the epidermis.
It is called epidermis, is correct. Yes, Abdullah.
Ma'am, it doesn't let the moisture out of the.
Correct. Very
Ma'am, it
good.
stops
Main
the leaf
pur-
from drying
Why
out.
it is waxy? Protection is correct. Protection
It
to
stops
outer-
the leaves from drying out.
Correct. So it's Abdullah said na, it prevents water loss from the leaf. Okay. That is the function, main function. That is why it is waxy. Okay. Okay. What is the role of guard cell in the stomata?
Ma'am, so the water dispersion is less.
Ma'am,
not so much
rapid
water.
exchange of gases. Rapid
Correct. So
exchange of
it
gases.
controls the movement of water vapor and gases, or it
Ma'am,
controls
it
the
controls
exchange-
the stomata when it opens or closes.
so it controls the exchange of gases, you can say. Okay. Guard
Yes,
cells
ma'am,
open
and guard
and
cells
close.
are there for not let the water out also. Now.
Okay. Let me show you. What is the name of the elongated packed cells directly under the upper epidermis?
Chloroplast.
Ma'am,
Chloroplast.
Is it chloroplast? See the diagram.
Ma'am, palisade layer.
Palisade cells is correct answer. See this diagram. Let
Ma'am,
me-
you said upper, so then palisade comes in the lower part of the upper.
अरे upper
epidermis.
dermis के नीचे.
Yes,
See the
yes.
diagram. See the diagram. Upper epidermis के नीचे this elongated cells are called as palisade cells, okay, or palisade
Ma'am,
layer.
what is elongated?
Elongated means ऐसे लंबे लंबे, long, elongated, okay. So these are long palisade cells. Is it clear? Answer is palisade cells. So this way also answer can be asked, or they can ask you to label it also. So name of the elongated packed cells directly under the upper epidermis is what? Palisade cells. Okay. Dash carries water and minerals from roots to the other parts of the plants.
Stem.
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 Dash carries water and minerals.
Xylem.
Xylem, yes, xylem. We are studying. We have studied about internal structure now. So xylem you will say, not stem. Okay. What is chlorophyll's main function?
Ma'am, to
Absorb
capture the
sunlight.
energy, ma'am.
Sunlight, solar
Absorb
energy you can say, or light energy. Okay. So to capture sunlight, that is a function of chlorophyll. Okay. Carbon dioxide enters plant through
Stomata.
Stomata.
okay, yes, which is not.
Ma'am, will the extra questions come
Oh, anything can
from
come.
the PowerPoint? Yes, okay.
Yes, from the PowerPoint it can come. Okay, I'm going to share one picture. Just tell me. This is a picture. Can you see this? ये rough diagram है. You know what is C?
Yes.
What is C?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
C
C is
is
palisade layer.
Palisade layer.
Palisade layer.
What is D?
Spongy layers.
Spongy layer.
Okay.
Spongy layer.
Mesophyll cells. Okay. I have given you the reason why it is spongy, because space is there, and why the
For
space
air,
is there.
And they
And then
for
it doesn't
they
do
do a
much
small
of
amount of
photosynthesis.
photosynthesis.
Correct. A, you know what is A? A is upper epidermis.
Upper epidermis.
Upper epidermis.
Correct. Okay, where is xylem of leaf? Tell me.
Ma'am, xylem of leaf is above
Wait.
phloem.
Acha,
Above
it's
phloem.
above.
5 or 6? Tell me.
5, ma'am. 5 is xylem.
Ma'am,
Inner side in the leaf is
Five.
xylem. So that is xylem. Which number is pointing to stomata?
I'm 10. No, 9.
9
Nine,
and 8.
9 and 8.
9
9
and
है ना?
8.
थोड़ा सा gap हो रहा है. 9
I
and
thought
9 you can
it
say.
was lower down. That's correct.
What is 8? 8 क्या है? बड़ा करो और भी.
8 is also stomata.
Ma'am, it's the second.
Ma'am,
second
8 is
open.
also
Ma'am,
stomata.
it's the lower
Parts.
epidermis.
The
8
second
is
gate.
not stomata, 9
Ma'am,
is
it
stomata.
is too small. We can't see na, that's
Yeah. Which of the following is pointing to? 1 minute. किधर गया? हाँ.
Ma'am,
Pointing
E,
to
ma'am.
part.
E.
E.
E, na? Yes. What is letter A pointing to? So ये type
Waxy layer.
Waxy
layer.
Waxy layer.
B is upper epidermis.
upper epidermis A, na?
Upper epidermis.
Ma'am, A
Ma'am, A is waxy layer.
B
B
is
is
upper
upper
epidermis.
epidermis.
हाँ.
But there is no waxy layer in the.
Ah, ma'am, there is no gap
There is.
between the. There is
No,
no gap.
there is no
between-
waxy layer in the options.
Yes.
So waxy layer is also called as, so write upper epidermis only. Waxy layer is also called as cuticle, I think. In a leaf, most photosynthesis takes place in the
Epidermis.
Stomata.
Mesophyll.
No,
most
epidermis.
chloroplast रहता है, okay?
Mesophyll, ma'am.
Epidermis. Upper epidermis.
नहीं, ma'am, mesophyll, ma'am.
Because
Mesophyll is the spongy layer. It does a small
spongy
amount
layer.
of
See your
photosynthesis.
PPT. See your PPT. PPT में, if you can see, can you see my PPT?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Just Let me show the. You can see the PPT, everyone. Photosynthesis ka.
Yes.
Yes. Yes, ma'am, you can see.
हाँ, see. Diagram किधर गया? Let me show you the diagram.
Ma'am, I have drawn it.
Please learn this equation, okay? This diagram, external part of the leaf. Okay, venation, just 4 types of venation you learn. उसमें ज़्यादा नहीं कुछ करना है. Okay, this is the diagram. This is the layer. If you can see,
Ma'am, you told us.
most of the photosynthesis takes place in palisade cell, palisade layer. Okay, is it clear or not? Because you can see most of the chloroplast is present over here, and then after that you have spongy mesophyll. Is it clear?
Ma'am, but in the palisade there is
Yes, ma'am.
mesophyll also, right?
Yeah, but in palisade what?
There is mesophyll also, right?
Palisade mesophyll is the name. Mesophyll, if you even if you don't say it, is fine. Spongy mesophyll, palisade mesophyll. Okay.
Ma'am, in the vascular bundle,
So
where is
mesophyll
xylem
cells.
and where is phloem?
Listen, mesophyll cells means you can say mesophyll cells में photosynthesis takes place, right? Because palisade mesophyll and spongy mesophyll दोनों में ही photosynthesis हो रहा है. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes or no? So what was the question?
Ma'am, in vascular bundle,
Who does the more that photosynthesis?
This was a question. No? In leaf, most photosynthesis takes place in, you can say, mesophyll, because spongy mesophyll and palisade mesophyll दोनों में होता है.
Ma'am, I said mesophyll only first, but you didn't.
The air spaces between spongy mesophyll allow for what?
Ma'am, ma'am,
Gas
Gas exchange. Gas
gas
exchange.
exchange.
What type of cells produce the waxy cuticle? This is not required. You have not read, no? It's fine. Recall what type of tissue carries water to the leaf?
Xylem.
Xylem.
Identify structure 3. What is structure 3? What is structure 3?
Ma'am,
Palisade
Palisade mesophyll.
Yes, thin stalk that vascular tissues are
Xylem
Xylem and phloem.
yes. So I think we have covered everything in this photosynthesis chapter. Go through the photosynthesis slide also. Questions will be very simple. Zyada lambe answers you don't have to do. Figure based 1 or 2 questions will be there. Like just now we did na MCQ mein, same type of questions you can have. Or you can have to draw a small diagram. It's a complex diagram nahi rahega. But please remember the function of all the parts of internal structure of leaf. Okay. And xylem, phloem ka position, the vascular tissue ka position in leaf, stem and root. What is the function of root hair? What is the function of xylem, phloem? What is the function of all the parts of the internal parts of the leaf? Palisade ka kya hai? Spongy ka kya hai? Guard cell, stomata ka kya hai? Function. Everything you should know. Yes, Yahya.
Yes, ma'am. I was asking that you told that there will be theoretical questions.
There will be theoretical. Theoretical means 2 lines mein jaise hoga na ki why this happened, right? The function of anything I can say, spongy mesophyll, or I can say why a waxy layer is provided on the top of the leaf, right? So this type of theory questions, 2 marks question will be there. You will not have a long question answers. Yes.
Ma'am, in book there is one waxy layer on the top and the second one is upper epidermis.
Upper epidermis.
So ma'am, what
So waxy,
if we are making diagrams, so we should, you told that no need to write waxy layer, we will do upper epidermis.
You can write waxy layer or cuticle, okay? Then upper epidermis. Waxy layer is there in your book, you can write that, okay? So this chapter is over. Next class, next chapter revision, chemical equations we'll do, okay? Material changes. Chalo, so that's all. Okay, see you, bye. See you tomorrow. Bye, everyone.
Bye, ma'am.